How to run Instagram ads for business. So if you want to run Instagram ads for business, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with your Instagram, open up your Instagram application, go with the profile which is on the bottom right. Make sure that you have a professional account. Now you need to just go with plus, which is on the bottom middle, and you can either go with the reel section, or you can also go with the top right, which has that plus icon. And here you need to select ad. Once you've select ad, you need to go with post, stories, or reels that you would like to run ad for your business. So you can go with post or stories or any reels. So in my case, I'll just simply select one. After selecting, go with next. Now here you need to choose what do you want people to do when they see your ad. So if they see your ad, if you want them to visit your website, you can go with visit your website or visit your profile or message you. You can select any option that you're comfortable with and then select an action button and then go with save, go with next. And who do you want to see your ad? So you can go with create your own audience or suggested audience and then go with next. And you can choose your daily budget. So what's your ad budget? And after that, your duration, your budget, and then go with next, which is on the bottom, and tap on boost post. Add your payment method, and that's it. That's how you can run Instagram ads for business. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.